Alright, so first day motovlogging. I don't have a microphone yet, so sound might be kind of iffy. Gonna take you guys on a little adventure with me. It's my Grom, plastered in mud. Once I get a mic, it'll be a lot better. Oh, here we go. Alright, so this is my storage place. It's funny, the gate doesn't activate, so I have to go down my little janky way to get out. I don't think they know that I do this, but hey, it's all good. Get a little whoop-de-doo here. And we're out into a field. Success. This is why my Grom looks like this. Because it's so much more fun, I think, at least. Now, I will say the Grom is not something you want to get by itself. It is not an enjoyable time to just have a Grom and nothing else. But if you have two bikes, you're always going to probably ride the Grom more than the other one. At least I do. Gromming around's a whole lot of fun. As far as, you know, a lot of people watching this might think, dude, that looks fucking sketchy. And it is kind of sketchy when you first get started. But quite honestly, I've never had a problem. You know, I've been stopped a couple of times for all of my hooligan stuff, and every single time I say, it's just a little pit bike. I was just out, cruising around, having fun, and they typically just say, well, watch what you're doing, don't hurt anyone. Keep in mind where you're at, things like that. And pretty basic stuff, really, as far as not fucking something up. So I mean, there's really not too much trouble you can get in doing this, so I figure it's a really good hobby. The most that's gonna happen is, a ticket or something like that, and if that's the worst thing I ever do in my life, that's perfectly fine with me. So that's my input on a Grom. A lot of people see it differently. A lot of people see it as you shouldn't be doing this stuff. You shouldn't be off-road on areas that you don't have permission to be on, and things like that. And that's true. However, I don't ever go anywhere that I cause damage. There's a difference between being right here and over in that cornfield. You know, the corn or soybean or beans or whatever it is. The crop is, you know, that farmer's livelihood, and that would be, you know, messing something up. Over here, I don't mess anything up. I don't know if you saw at the beginning of the video, but I have the Maxxis knobby rear tire on the back. But you know, it's a whole lot of fun for what, $3,000, something like that. I mean, the amount of money that people spend on things to have, you know, to just have a good time, it's ridiculous. And you can have such a good time on one of these guys for such a low cost. So going through here. Sneaky. Oh, alright. Alright, so on to the next place. Foundation Park. Probably post this video to Facebook just as a little kind of test to see how bad the wind is on the GoPro, and to see if you can hear me well. You know, any adjustments as far as position and things like that go. So a lot of you are going to be like, all right, he's just riding around out, cool, you know, doing some hooligan stuff, but, you know, so I don't really have to explain to you guys know that. But it may be cool to watch still, just to see how I enjoy my days and things like that. So, basically, I just ride around and find new little trails and things to go on and things like that. Try to avoid getting in trouble, and I just think it's so much fun to be out and, you know, around all these people and stuff, and, you know, just to be doing something so simple, so fun. And, you know, people get a kick out of seeing you go around and on your little bike and have a good time. And, you know, I wish there were more people out there that did this sort of thing, because, you know, it really is, you know, a fantastic way to spend your life and explore the world and everything like that. I mean, like on Facebook, I see all kinds of people posting about, you know, exploring the world or this or that or the other, and, you know, there's a lot of world to explore, don't get me wrong, but there's a lot of world to explore in your own area, okay? There is a whole lot of world, you know, that you may not know about, you know, right in your backyard. And to me, that kind of says, like, you know, why should I go out exploring the world when I don't even know where I live yet? And so once I got this Grom, it really opened up a whole lot of doors to me as far as you know, what is life, what, you know, what is fun, what is, you know, what is this, you know, what does this world have to offer? And, you know, when I rode on the CBR, it was just kind of an enjoyable time, but it wasn't, you know, really learning anything. Hi. When I got the Grom, it, you know, this whole world of everything just, you know, came to light for me. And You know, I feel like I can just go anywhere, I can explore anywhere, I can do anything, and it really is a great feeling. You know, this is one of my favorite trails, even though I have broken ribs, but I come here almost every day. See this GroundHog almost every day, actually. Go, buddy! Woo! Just missed him. Woo! GroundHog almost got blasted. Woo! Pick a side, mate. Left or right? Left or right? Jesus Christ. No! Holy moly. I almost straight domed him. He's like, I know you, I see you every day. Let's fucking race. Oh man. I'm glad I had my GoPro on when that happened. That was freaking awesome. But you know, this is the kind of stuff you can do. You know, you go in nature. You know, pretty much every day I see, you know, deer running and, you know, animals out and birds, and you know, the later and the later that I go out, the more animals that I see normally. But I kind of make all my own little trails and everything, and let's go back and see if we can find that GroundHog again. He's probably all fucking pissed off at me, all salty. He's like, I'm gonna bite you now. Where you at, bud? I just want to come make sure you're okay. It's right around here. He's like, see ya. My dome can't take another one of those. This place I'm going now is actually a trail that I found yesterday, I think it was yesterday. And it was kind of just a complete mistake, really. This one, fortunately for me, does not say no vehicles or anything like that, so I can always use that excuse. I will say that, well, you know, if you do decide to get a Grom, you know, just be careful. You know, you're doing something that's, you know, not expected by other people, that, you know, other people aren't looking for. And, you know, if you're just freaking blazing down this trail, doming hogs, and, you know, Ethel walks out with good old Rutherford, they're not going to be looking for you, because how many crazy little bastards do this? So, you know, just keep that in mind. You don't want to dome an Ethel or a Rutherford. Hogs are all right. I mean, if they don't fucking pick a side. You know, while a lot of people are going to be weary, you know, seeing you emerge from the middle of the woods on a little pit bike, at the same time, you know, you wave to them, you say hi, you know, that they're going to look at you like, oh, he's just enjoying his life. So that's how I look at it. You really don't want to make too much of a stink about things. You know, I don't ever sit off-road and do burnouts and, you know, all that crazy stuff. You know, I'm literally just here to enjoy life, enjoy my bike, explore nature, you know, go places that other people don't, things like that. That's why I'm out here. Now we're in the back of John Deere. Mid-Ohio's right over there. we're to go next here. What's up, buddy? More often, or you know, is there anything you'd want me to add to it, or places you'd want me to go explore and such? I don't know. I mean, I love motorcycles, so pretty much everyone knows that. So I watch this kind of thing on a daily basis. You know, I watch other motovloggers and things like that. You know, I just find it really enjoyable to go around and, you know, watch someone go around and talk about their life, and you know, whatever comes up on their brain and things like that. You know, I just think it's fun to, you know, see life happen and everything like that. I don't know if someone who wasn't necessarily a motorcycle enthusiast, if this is something you guys would enjoy or not, but maybe especially like going around your own neighborhood, you know, everything like that. I mean, that would be cool. I don't know. Really, I'm just doing it because I kind of want to see my rides. You know, I want to see what adventures I've gone on, and you know, the things that I've done, and you know, any crazy experiences that I can catch, and things like that. You know, that's why I'm doing it. And it's also at the same time, it'll give me kind of a way to express myself, I guess you'd say. Anything that's going on in my life, anything that, you know, I'm going through, things like that, you know, to be able to put it out there, you know, for people to listen to and for people to watch, and you know, I think that's pretty darn cool. I don't know. As you guys may know, the Knox County Fair is coming up here soon. Which is pretty cool. I go a couple of times a year to the fair. I like to go for the rough trot and seeing Martian Smash, the American way, America. That's enjoyable to me. Actually, I have my van truck that a lot of you guys have seen. I was thinking about possibly putting that in the rough truck. The only downside of that being that I actually like it too much to ruin it. As you can see, they are setting up for the fair currently. Another fun fact that I've learned: the fair is a public area, so you're allowed to come here anytime and explore and, you know, have your fun. Exclusive look at this year's kiddie rides. ago. You guys probably saw it on Facebook. It's actually really cool up here, so figured I'd take you guys. Oh, mother! I'd take you guys up here with me. See it? I think this is where they have dirt bikes, maybe. I don't know. Fair's going down there. Little kitties are bringing in their animals and stuff for slaughter. No, just kidding. I don't like to think about that. I raised chickens one year. They smell like poo. Actually, while I was showing the chicken, if you know anything about chickens, the way that you show them, you stick your fingers under their groinal area, and their feet, their legs, sit in between these two fingers here. And he took a dump on me in the middle of me presenting how lovely I had done growing him. Yeah, he took a poo on me. So screw that. I am not a fan of poo. Dog poo, people poo, chicken poo, any poo. It is disgusting. So, hey, they moved their boat. That boat was over there last time. Huh. Interesting. That's weird. Oh well. So anyway, exploring back here, pretty cool. That goes down to the fair. So we're gonna go to the other one here, the more sketchy one. See where this guy goes. This one. Comes out into this little area over here. This nice little clearing, I guess you'd say. The last time I was here for like, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, someone came and chased me out of here. So apparently they don't like to be bothered here. But that's alright. Not bothering anyone. Sound effects. Wouldn't you believe I didn't even edit those ones in? Like, woo! Woo! Going through the bushes. Na 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 na. Trying not to dump it. Na 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 na. This trail that back here is super sketchy. I dumped it last time I was down here. Na 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 na. I didn't go that way. I'll probably go that way eventually. But anywho, there were a lot of people here last time at the fairgrounds. So when I came through last time, pricker bush. Uh-oh. Duck down. I guess I didn't really go to the full end of this to see where exactly it comes out at. Oh, I know where we're at. Alright, so we're gonna get this thing turned around here. Maybe. Sliding, sliding, sliding. Alright, now let's see if I can go up this hill. What do you say? And we're off. Climb, Grom. Ugh. Duck down, duck down. Ow, pricker bush. Same one got me, didn't learn. See if this one goes anywhere different. Ooh, this is bumpy. Holy moly. Trying not to die. Hey, this one's cool. This one opens up like crazy here. Oh God. Holy moly. Oh boy. Ruts for days, ruts for days. Oh. Oh, I see where it goes. Grom power. Oh, my motor's scraping. Let's go a different way. There we go. Whew. Oh! Giant tree almost whacked me. Or branch. I thought this was bumpy up here. And I guess another thing that I should say, why I enjoy this type of thing, is because it builds your riding skill. You know, it builds your clutching, your acceleration, knowing your bike. It, you know, teaches you how to handle and things like that. You know, it really is helpful. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm a big fan of learning. I think we can take something away from everything that we do. So when I do something, I try and look for the value in it to take something away more than just the experience itself. The experience of riding out here is a big old blast, don't get me wrong, but to be able to take something away from it and learn and become a better rider, become a better person, you know, live a better life, things like that, that's a lot more meaningful to me than just being out here riding. So even ground feels so very good. Holy moly, that was a bumpy trail back there. That was one bumpy trail. And we're back. Civilization. So, over the summer, I came out here and went through all the barns, rode through all the barns and stuff. And that was a whole lot of fun. I can't do that now because there's people putting animals in their barns and stuff, and really don't want to get in the way of those people. So bulldozer. So you're the one making all this ruckus back here. What do we got here? See, there's another prime example of, oh, it's manure. How great. Ugh. Gosh darn it. Ugh. That's mud that I was in. That doesn't look like manure. It really doesn't look like manure. What's this pile of poo doing back here? That's funny because I just got done saying that I'm not a fan of any type of poo, and I almost drive straight into it. It looks a little powdery to be poo. They must not have been eating their Wheaties. Or maybe they were eating too many Wheaties, I don't know. See if this gate down here is open, which it's not. Alrighty. I'm gonna try a quick turnaround here. Didn't work too super well, but that's alright. Probably do some videos with the CBR. Might do a video or two driving in the BRZ. I don't think that one would be very interesting personally, but you know, some people out there like cars more than bikes, so Mr. Fries has arrived. Oh yeah. We're gonna be rolling in the grease come fair time. Probably why he's here so early. He's like, gotta stake my claim on this spot right here. You're off again. Oh yeah, got my quad, got my trailer, going to the fairground, tear up some shit. And we're off. This is the Wizard. Wonderful Wizard of Oz. The Wizard, not Izzard. Wizard of Oz. And my man on the two wheels. I don't discriminate just because you ain't got a motor and I got a motor and you ain't got a motor. We can still be buddies. German Shepherd booty. German Shepherd booty. I love me some German Shepherd. Woo! Look, Mom, no hand. Oh yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one. That was like some post Taco Bell, post China buffet, like squeaking coming out type of thing. What that was. Or I just swallowed a trumpet. One of the two. Yay. See if we can get another good one in. Yay. Yay. Queef.